Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to your online class and how are you this morning? Today morning, in the first section you are going to study Blueprint 6, okay, lesson 3, International Cooperation on page 43. Before moving to this unit, teacher would like you to review some lessons that you have learned on, okay, 14. The vocabulary you have learned like poverty, the state of being extremely poor, climate, the weather condition, revealing in an area in general or over long period, okay, like greenhouse, okay, like cooperation, exploration, and trade. And also you have learned about the three talks about the climate change, and then you will hear about the space, and after that you also learn about the poverty rate. Okay, so today lesson, you are going to continue on page 43, and today lesson you will study with the 6 vocabulary, and those vocabulary will be applied in your lesson today as well. So the first of all, you learn the word. What's that? Okay, this is just a review. Okay, so what do you see about this picture, everyone? You will see the word in the box on page 43, the vocabulary section. You will see the word crop, cooperate, agreement, reduction, and switch, right? And what picture is it, everyone? So this picture represents for the varieties of crop, right? We have like bitter melon, we have like green pepper, pineapple, okay, have like can be orange, we have some orange here, like chili, okay, like garlic, carrot, okay. And so can you define the word crop, everyone? Today teacher will distinguish the word crop, okay, with the when we talk about the product, okay, like vegetable kind of type of crop as well, okay, like we can say that like mango, like cashew, okay. And anyway, we also say the word crop in the verb, okay, as well. And another one, crop using in the computer or using to edit the photo. So what does it mean, crop here? Okay. So if crop is about a cultivated plant that is grown on a large scale commercially, especially in cereal, fruit, or vegetable, right? So this is the first definition about the word crop. And the second one, you crop verb, can something especially a person here, very short, we just call crop as well. And one more, crop is used in the computer or to cut the edges of the photo or photograph, okay, in order to produce a better picture or to fit a given space. So the next one you will hear like a crop is a plant or animal product that can be grown or harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. So this is teacher extract from the Wikipedia, and some of these definitions teacher took it from the Cambridge Online Dictionary, okay. And the second word you learn about the word cooperate, okay. Cooperation, noun, and cooperate, verb. Meaning is to work like jointly toward the same aim or assist someone to comply with their request. When you work, like when you cooperate each other, in a team or in the group, meaning that you have the same aim of your project or your task. And anyway, when you cooperate with other, can be like you cooperate with your friend to run a business, a small business like a cafe shop, okay, and you just assist with that. We also say cooperate. Sometimes you are assisting like the idea, okay, like financial, okay, and human resource support. This is a part of cooperation as well. And cooperative adjective, cooperation is noun, okay. So another meaning with the cooperation, written as, sometimes you can read like CO with the hyphen here, and operation. This is in British English. When you write without any hyphen, mean the American, right? And they define that the cooperation is the process of a group, okay, of organisms working or acting together for common measure or some underlying benefit, as opposed to working in competition or selfish benefit. So it opposite, when you do the cooperation, meaning that you are not, okay, in the competition for a selfish benefit. Example like many animal and plant species cooperate both with other members of their own species and with members of other species. So as you have learned in the listening to the news too about birds, about bee, you also have learned about the importance of bee, right? That bee can be like do the pollinate, okay, pollinate from one flower to another in order to reproduction, right? Okay. So some word that similar to cooperate, like collaborate, mean like work together, like work side by side or act together, okay. You can use this word to apply for cooperate as well, because of this is the similarity. Okay, so the next word you learn about the word agreement, okay. The stress in the second syllable, you just read agreement, okay. And the definition of it means the situation in which people have the same opinion or in which they approve of or accept something. So to agree, or you can say that to like a decision or arrangement of often like formal in written between two or more groups or people. So they do the agreement, mean this, you can say like MOU, okay. The MOU, they have like a formal and written, and then they do the agreement to each other. Example like the whole family was in agreement with her about or on what they should do. If the three parties cannot reach agreement now, there will be a civil war, okay. They have like broken the term of the agreement on human right. Finally, the two sides have reached an agreement. So when they have any agreement, mean they stop, like they have the same idea, mean that they do or decide something in order to, okay, to make it like the same opinion, right, or to approve it. Okay, so now let's move to the definition number 4. You learn about the word reduction. So the stress in the second syllable the same, like reduction, okay, reduction, a noun. And when you read verb, not reduction, you read reduce, okay, reduce. Okay, so what does it mean, everyone? So reduction means the act of making something or of something becomes smaller in size, amount, degrees, importance, extra. Example like stiffening competition in the market has led to a reduction in company's profit this year. The reduction in funds is throttling the development of new programs. Okay, so reuse somebody to something. This is a phrase of the word reuse. Reduce somebody to something means to make someone unhappy or cause someone to be in a bad state or situations. Example like his comment reduce to tear. Okay, reduce to tear. Mean that his comment make her cry. So we can use the term like reduce somebody to something. Okay, so the next word you learn about the word switch. Okay, switch can be both noun and verb. So if this switch refer to the noun, mean the object that you use it to monitor the light can be on and off. And yeah, the change we can say the change suddenly or completely, especially from one thing to another, or to a change by replacing one person or thing with another. So we call switch. You see the example here, like she started studying English, but she switched to history in her second years. Switch the class, switch the subject. Okay. After the bank robberies, the gang switched cars. Mean he left one car and got into another one, so we call switch as well. And the first verb is switch. You can say like switch off or switch on, like switch something on or switch something off. Okay, like switch out something, switch off, or switch something up. So this is the phrasal verb with switch. Okay, look at the picture and use the above 5 words matching the correct picture, everyone. So are you ready? Okay, so what do you see about this picture, everyone? A group of people, they do the signature and perhaps they sign with a formal written paper. So what are the words that you are going to apply here, everyone? We have like cooperate, okay, like cooperate, like like crop, like agreement, reduction, and switch. So the answer is agreement. The next one, you see that you see a bunch of rice that just see only hand, right? And what picture is it, everyone? Crop, right? And the next one, you see the fish try to jump from a small chair to another chair and leaping from other. So we can say mean to exchange the place, mean to switch, right? Okay, the next one, you see the arrow, it like down. When something is down, or like reduce the size, make the size smaller and smaller, it called reduction. And the last one, people put their hand together, so mean they cooperate. Okay, so everyone, so now it comes to the end of your lesson today. So thank you very much for your paying attention, and don't forget to recognize some of the usage in each vocabulary that you have learned so far, like agreement, crop, switch, reductions. Okay, teacher just want to make sure that you can apply those definitions and you understand about the concept of using those words as well. Not only a single word, but you can interpret it to another form like phrasal verb, okay, like the pattern of using that verb. It will help you to improve your speaking or your writing as well. In terms of changing the part of speech. Okay, like the word you see, like the word cooperate, to cooperative and cooperations. When you say cooperate, means you cooperate to do something with someone, can say like that. And cooperative, it means that you see that this is the cooperative work. Okay, a great cooperation, so we have to use it in the right function in the part of speech as well. Okay, so everyone, thank you very much for your paying attention. Thank you.